What's up, everybody? I started my new $50,000 FTMO challenge last night. I'll be trading the entire challenge live from start to finish, so be sure to check that out. It was kind of a rough start. I ended up having a red day on my first day. I ended the stream around 1 a.m., about an hour into the session, and I did end up recovering some of the loss after the stream was over. So I'm using 0.2% risk on this account, which is $100, and all in all I ended up with about -1 reward for the session. So now that I've had some time to think about it, I did definitely trade this session incorrectly. I should have had around +7 reward for the day. The dollar was at that huge support level it's been pressing against for the past week or so. There was very little chance of it actually breaking through that, and all I needed to do was wait for that to happen if I wanted to take trades on it. So let's go ahead and look at the trades that I took and what I should have done differently. Okay, so the first two trades that I took were actually both on the GBP USD. So down here on the hourly chart, the start of the session was right here on this big red bar here. So looking down at the 5-minute chart, let's see, the first trade I took was right here. And it went through almost at a very tight stop on that one. So 4 pip stop loss, 12 pip take profit. So you can see it went almost there and ended up failing. So the level that I needed to be under was this level down here. So unfortunately I was just a little bit too early on that one. And then I took another trade, I believe here. I had my stop right underneath, so we'll say 7.21 up there. So basically I got stopped out by, what is that, 1 or 2 pips, and then the move went through right after that. So once again I was just getting into the trades too early. I could have even just moved the stop down under here and it would have went through that way. I'm a little bit mad at myself for that, because I was actually going to do that and I decided against it, but that's okay. The third trade that I took was here, and I had a super tight stop on that one. I think it was also 4 and 12. So once again I was right. I was just a little bit too early and I ended up getting stopped out for no reason, and the trade went through right after. So I had the trade, I just entered into it too early. I actually could have done a sell stop order here and just done, let's see, maybe a 10 and a 30. Yeah. Let's see. Yep, and that worked too. So I could have done that. I could have just used a sell stop order. So, you know, live and learn. I'll know for next time to be a little bit more careful on those. And then I also missed 2 trades over here on the Euro GBP. So there was some really good easy trades here. This was a very nice EMA pullback here. 3 and 9. Okay, there was a nice 3 right there, and there was also an engulfing top pattern here. Another 3 and 9. So yeah, bunch of really good trades. I mean, the dollar pairs weren't really the pairs I should have been focusing on last night. I should have just focused on pretty much this EGBP right here, and then that UCAD short at the end there. So yeah, I know what to do, what not to do for next time. Even though it was a red day filled with a bunch of mistakes, it still wasn't too bad of a session. I think I was a little bit nervous also. This is the first time I'm actually showing my account details as I'm trading, but I think I'm over the nerves now and I'm definitely ready to go. This is a compounding challenge I'm doing here, so I'm definitely going to have to step the quality of the trades up. I just simply need 3 wins in a row and the challenge is pretty much completed from there. So I need to remember to wait for those double confirmations. A huge problem I've been having is getting into trades a little bit too early. I'll make the right call, but I'll end up getting stopped out only to watch the move go through shortly after that. So the good things are I'm taking less than 6 trades per session pretty consistently now. I'm not revenge trading. I'm not over risking. Also, I was patient and didn't take any trades before the open. Mostly my trading is fantastic right now. I just have to work on that FOMO early entry issue and I'll be good to go from there. So that is all for today. Make sure to hit that like button if you're enjoying the channel and the content. I'll be back on live streaming tonight at 11:30 Pacific time. The dollar should be on the move for tonight's London session, so I'm very excited for that. Remember to always trade responsibly, and I'll see you guys later.